Good afternoon. It is May 5th, 2025, and today we had a range day. Uh, Here's the daily chart. Still got about 20 minutes till the market closes to the public and hour and 20 minutes until it's closed for the day. So uh, I'm guessing that we're going to close somewhere around here and just have a bearish inside bar. But let's take a look. 2700 tick chart. So I drew this range based on the price action from Friday. Um, these highs, I drew that, and then the lows from the overnight, and I think prices were responding to those levels for most of the day. You can see there was a gap down over this price level here in the overnight. So when we got this bull channel, it's no surprise that we filled that gap. Um, but let's take a more detailed look. So I'm looking at it. It looks relatively slow compared to what we've had past few weeks. So if you come in at 5 o'clock, you're in this congestion, and there's just no way to really get in on this. You could draw your range here, and you could scalp, but other than that, there's no real great way to get in on this. If you anticipate this being like a high for the day, and we make a second leg down, you probably want to exit at support right above this doji. So we right after that we break out. That's just before 7 o'clock. Pull back, bounce, and that forms this channel up. And you wouldn't have had the support level drawn right here just yet, so you can't really go long here. It just looks like a trending range at this point. Broke out here, formed another range. We break out here, form another range, but this time you could probably anticipate uh, this being a level of support. So you do get like a wedge bottom here, one push down, two push down, three push down before it bounces. I wouldn't take that, but I'm seeing this failed second entry short right here. I like that. Right off the trend line, right off the EMA, and that forms a channel right there. You can see that. And then we go sideways again. And there's not much here. I was anticipating potentially going lower based on these Fibonacci levels, but once we kept bouncing off support, you can see here you get a bull bar, then you get like a weak bearish bar, and then you get a strong bull bar. And so, oh, I'm sorry, this is for this level. I'm talking about here. So you get another bull bar, and then you get some inside bars, and they couldn't break lower. And then you get this bull bar, and then a strong bull bar right here. And then you get a bar with a bull body right here. So when this tests the EMA, but closes at its midpoint, I liked entering there. That's where I entered. And, draw your channel. This just looks like a pullback in a bull channel. This looks like a pullback in a bull channel. What I did was I put my target right about where we were trying to fill this gap, and it was actually almost a perfect exit. I also drew this level of support. Let me get these Fibonacci lines out of here. Yeah, I drew this level of resistance, and so it also looked like we could possibly be breaking out here, but that this could also be a level of resistance. So that was, if you, I think I took profits like 2 ticks shy of the top. So once you get this bear doji, you should probably put your stop below that. And you can see plenty of other people took their profits right there. And that's where we're at right now. So it wouldn't surprise me if we went sideways for the rest of the day. There's one last look at it. I'll put the Fibonacci lines back on. One last look at the daily chart. Today's Monday, so we can look at the weekly chart. Not a whole lot of information here. Um, and there's the monthly chart. So hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.